I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting precise business data: legal name, formatted address, phone number, hours, category, logo, and geo-coordinates. Once done, install a trusted structured data plugin or prepare to add code via a child theme. Make sure backups exist so you can revert if needed. You'll use either a plugin GUI for fields or add JSON LD in the header. Start entering the core values now, so the next steps can map those fields into proper local business schema. You now map your collected values to schema properties. Set it type to the correct business type, fill address. Street address, address. Locality, postal code, and include telephone, opening hours, geo, location, and price range. If coding, add a JSON LD script in the header via a WP headhook or child theme header. PHP and make fields dynamic with get option or post meta. If using a plugin, configure its local business template, link fields to your data, and test a sample page. Finish by validating the markup. Run Google Rich Results Test and Schema Markup Validator on your pages, then fix any missing or mismatched properties. Once validated, submit key pages to Search Console for reindexing and monitor the enhancements report. Make sure to update the markup when hours or location change. If issues appear, check for duplicate JSON LD from multiple plugins. Temporarily disable conflicting SEO or schema plugins, clear caches, and retest. This single troubleshooting step resolves most visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.